Oh my god.
I know. What do you think is that?
Oh my god. This should be in a restaurant.
Oh no.
I'm serious,
Seriously?
yeah.
Halo teman-teman semua, balik lagi di Bina Channel. Semoga teman-teman baik-baik aja. Kalau teman-teman lihat vlognya Bina yang sebelumnya ya, yang aku pergi belanja ke supermarket dan aku ketemu pisang kepok, tapi aku bilangnya pisang goreng karena emang selalu digunakan untuk digoreng. Nah, pisang itu kan waktu aku beli masih hijau nih teman-teman. Nah, sekarang voila, pisangnya sudah matang sesuai yang aku mau. Nah, jadi kita hari ini mau bikin pisang goreng kremes terus pakai coklat keju. So, ya teman-teman, siapakah hari ini yang akan menikmati? Ya rencananya hari ini aku mau bikin buat bro pastinya karena dia lagi kerja dari rumah tapi nanti dia mau pergi ke kantor. Terus aku mau ngasih buat bibi kita, bibi ART yang kebetulan hari ini adalah waktunya dia untuk bersihin rumah. Nah, bibi ART ku ini dia suka banget makan yang manis-manis. Jadi ya udah deh aku cekokin gitu yang manis-manis dari Indonesia. Dan juga sama bibi building ya, tapi kalau misalnya nanti ketemu. Karena aku tadi ngeliat dia tadi pagi, so aku juga mau ngasih ke dia karena dia kemarin protes. Aku kasih ke bibi ART karena mereka temenan. Kok dia nggak dikasih gitu. So ya, mari kita masak.
Halo kencang-kencang Mbak Mawar di Indonesia tercinta. Piye kabarnya? Masih selalu merindukanku? Ya toh. Ya, hari ini Mbak Mawar disuruh ibu bikin pisang goreng gemes. Gemes. Aku tuh gemes sama kamu karena masih jomblo. Pisang goreng kremes ya. Itu kayak itu loh, yang apa kalau misalnya rambutnya kotor mandi pakai air ya kremes. Ya kita untuk resepnya tuh teman-teman bisa lihat aja yo tuh di screennya sibuk lagi rajin, jadi ditulis-tulis apa yang dibutuhkan ya. Jadi yang pasti kita butuh 2 adonan teman-teman. Yang satu nih adonannya yang kental itu buat pisangnya ya. Terus yang satunya lagi tuh yang buat kremesannya ya. Jadi itu terbuat tetap dari tepung teman-teman. Kalau kremes yang nggak kriuk-kriuk itu ya kamu. Oke teman-teman, itu tadi pakai baking powder ya. Mbak Mawar juga baru tahu pakai baking powder. Jadi Mbak Mawar biasanya cek resep dari Kupet teman-teman, bukan iklan yo. Memang begitu keadaannya. Nah teman-teman, untuk bikin kremesannya itu Mbak Mawar biasanya pakai tepung tapioka dan tepung beras tuh ya. Jadi kalau yang lain-lain tuh kayaknya wakil banget bikinnya. Nah Mbak Mawar bikin dikit aja, soalnya aku masih nggak tahu teman-teman ini bakal sukses apa enggak. Pakai endok nih, kayaknya endoknya aku tuh agak kebanyakan, tapi wes kita lihat saja. Nah sekarang tahapnya goreng menggoreng. Sini digoreng-goreng seperti kamu yang digoreng-goreng perasaanmu sama si gebetan. Yo ya, jadi ini warnanya wes api. Ini pisangnya wes mateng banget teman-teman. Jadi itu nggak perlu lama-lama digoreng. Nah sekarang kita masukkan kremesannya tuh. Jadi kayak perintilan-perintil yang mana kan ya. Terus itu dikumpul-kumpul, terus pisangnya dibalik jadi biar nempel. Nah ini kesalahannya Mbak Mawar ini cuma satu teman-teman. Apa? Karena Mbak Mawar ini terlalu cantik. Oh iya, maksudnya Mbak Mawar itu kremesannya itu kurang, minyaknya kurang banyak, tapi tetap sih masih bisa jadi nempel. Nah sekarang waktunya kita hias supaya cantik yuk. Kasih caras, terus kayak keju ya, jadi biar semakin manis. Kita kasih ini apa jadinya pokoknya condensed milk SKM.
Sometimes we add it like this.
So good. I love sugar.
I know that. That's why I just only cook sweets for you.
I love it. Sweet. Yeah, it's crunch outside. It's
Sweet inside
yeah.
because of the banana, right?
Yeah. My problem is now speaking too much English.
That's okay.
For
Uh-huh.
me more speaking. So good.
I know what you mean. But they can tell if you like it.
I like combination
Yeah.
cheese and chocolate.
Uh-huh. Good together. Do you have fried banana in your country?
Yeah,
Yeah.
but it's different.
But it's different.
Yeah.
Different banana or
Sin tortilla.
Yeah.
Inside beans, black beans.
Oh,
Or milk,
milk.
sugar, cinnamon,
Cinnamon.
corn
Flour.
corn
flour.
Yeah, mix,
Yeah.
cook
Yeah.
inside banana
Oh, so filling. Put it inside.
or beans,
Beans. Ah, what kind of beans? Black beans?
black beans.
Ah, so sweet black beans then.
But this one is sweet, but no.
Ah.
No, sweet is nice.
Yeah.
I speaking more.
Huh?
I speaking more.
What do you mean? I like it. It's good. Just gonna cook sweets for Aleda.
This one is You know me speaking only
Because I know you're gonna like sweet stuff. Because Sebastian doesn't eat too much sweets. He just doesn't like it. That's why I don't like to cook it only for him. Because I'm the one who eating a lot. I don't want it. But like this, I like to share. I'm gonna give some for Marina too. For her to try.
Condensed milk.
Like the condensed milk, but like less sugar one.
I eat.
Cool.
Oh,
So good.
and see, you cook delicious.
Oh, I cook delicious. I'm happy you like it, Aleda.
You delicious cook.
We're gonna try something different next time. Yeah.
There's no problem. Come back tomorrow.
No, every 2 weeks that's okay, Aleda. So you can eat sweet every 2 weeks.
Come with sweetie, Aleda. It's so sweet.
So teman-teman, kita mau ke gym, mau ngasih ini buat Marina, itu building cleaner kita. I'm excited. There she is.
Thank you. Oh
I
my
need to
God.
try it.
I need to try it. Okay.
Yes.
I have a
Look,
friend there who wants to try it too.
Seriously?
Yeah, seriously. Come.
Okay, sure. Oh, there's like a little sweet
Yes.
for you.
Hi, Paul.
He's working out.
He's working out, but he wants to try it.
Oh, sure.
Come on, Paul.
I'm down for free food.
Oh, wow.
I'm always down for free food.
Hey, come and try this. Sweet stuff.
I don't want to ruin your workout though. That's what I told her.
Oh my god.
I
you're
know.
What?
Okay,
Now
what
you
is
cut
that?
it. I hold it and you cut it.
What is this? A dessert?
This
Yeah,
is
it's a
kind of
dessert.
like a dessert or like a little snack.
Bye.
What do you think is that?
Oh my god. This should be in a restaurant.
Oh no.
serious,
Seriously?
yeah.
Oh.
I'm doing my workout.
Yeah, I know, that's why I was like, I don't want to ruin it.
Save me this one, okay? I'll do my workout. What is it?
There's a fried banana actually.
Oh.
Yeah, the different type of banana, not like the regular one you eat. So yeah, we have like that kind of fried banana, and we just put a little
I'm doing
sprinkle.
my cardio and look what I'm
See, I don't want to ruin your
I know.
workout, but that's.
That's okay. So Nancy, now you know where to try all your food.
I know.
Yeah,
Just
like
go to
food.
Paul. I was like,
like
hey, I
food.
got something for you. Enjoy. Oh, I feel bad to like ruin your workout.
No, it's okay. That's okay. Paul, it's not every day. So you have to
Exactly.
eat it, yeah?
Exactly.
And we
You
are
should
getting
try
close
to.
to Friday anyway. So it's okay. Tomorrow we will
Exactly.
be here at 5 in the morning.
Oh, good to know.
Thank you so
You
much.
like it?
You like it?
Oh my god, I see you finish it.
From me in my stomach and my heart.
Oh.
You know, love goes through your mouth.
Yeah.
That's it.
Right, workout and sweet has to be balanced.
That's Indonesian?
It's Indonesian, yes. Yeah, so I'm making Indonesian meal, and then like, I like to like give it to my friends to try it, and they give me like the reactions.
So, is this popular from Jakarta?
Well, yeah, it's everywhere for this one. This little like dessert, because you can try like buy it in the every store.
It's not damn good. If they have this in restaurants, I'm telling you, people go nuts.
Oh yeah.
I
open your restaurant and hire her to be the cook.
Being a cook. I'm happy you like it.
Thank you so much.
You like it too? Aww. Yeah, I was cooking and like Aleda was there and then like she likes sweet, so I was like, okay, no, this time I'm gonna make a bit more and then for you to try.
I love the sweet. Oh, this is so good. Thank you, Nancy.
Yes, you
Oh
guys.
my God. Wow.
You guys have a good.
Well, today, Paul.
I should invite you guys next time for meal.
Oh,
Paul, I should invite you for meal next time at my place.
Oh my god, are you kidding me?
I'm serious.
Okay, then take my number down, please.
Oh yes, I will. I'm gonna just text her and then she can send me your phone. Yeah, yeah. Let's do that. You guys have a good day. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, tadi tuh residennya. Dia kalau walk aku sering banget ketemu sama dia. Cuman kita nggak pernah ngobrol. Terus ya udahlah, ternyata dia tuh temenan sama Marina. Dan dia surprise banget dong sampai disuruh jual di restoran. Aku shock banget. So ya sekarang kita mau naik ke atas karena aku harus mengambil uang ya buat bibi aku. Ini buat suami tercinta. Here we go.
Wow, what is that?
What is that, baby?
It looks very chocolatey. I don't even know. Is it like soft? Oh, it's something fried underneath.
Try it.
Oh my god, it smells really good. It's warm.
Mm-hmm.
And there's I see chocolate sprinkles. Oh, is this the condensed milk?
Yeah.
The sweet one? I love it. And cheese? Okay. The cheese is weird. It's like the sweet of the chocolate and the... Okay, let me try this. Tastes almost like the sprinkles everything, like almost like the martabak.
Martabak,
Yeah.
yeah. The feeling, yeah.
Okay, let me try it. Oh my god, look at this teman-teman. Ui.
Try it, baby. I'm drooling myself.
Apa di dalam ini? Oh, pisang?
Iya.
Pisang goreng martabak.
Pisang goreng martabak. Namanya pisang goreng keju coklat.
Ya, oke. Ini literally pisang goreng keju coklat susu. Enak banget. Ini untuk saya juga?
Iya.
Oh.
Dua-duanya buat kamu, sayang.
Wow. Besar banget.
Tadi aku kasih Aleda. Terus tadi aku kasih Marina. Terus tadi kasih Merly juga. Udah gitu.
Mereka suka juga?
Iya. Mereka suka sekali. Terus tadi ada Paul tinggal di building sebelah. Dia lagi cardio. Terus ngeliat ini dia minta nyobain juga.
Oh. Dan dia suka juga. Enak banget ini.
Yeah.
This is very good when you drink it when you eat it in the morning. Pakai kopi.
Iya.
Minum kopi, makan ini. Kombinasi enak banget. Pisangnya manis, coklatnya manis, susunya manis juga.
Manis.
Dan nanti
Istrinya? Istrinya manis.
manis juga.
Kena diabetes.
Kadang-kadang.
Kadang-kadang. Wow.
Tapi kejunya nggak manis. Ini
benar-benar.
yang
Kombinasi.
kontras, ini yang balance.
Iya,
Ya.
benar.
Ya, saya suka. Nanti saya bikin kopi. Ini kombinasi sempurna. Untuk teman-teman yang belum pernah coba ini, coba dong. Enak banget.
Nah yuk, belanja yuk.
Oke,
Nah
let's
teman-teman
go.
kita mau belanja dulu ya.
Dah.